Hello everyone, my name is KARENINA ADESTYA and I'm from Senior High School 1 Muncar. Today for Debate English, regarding the motion given, I'm very much agree with it. That is, this house will give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. The current approach to dealing with gambling-related crimes, which often involves imprisonment, is largely ineffective and counterproductive. Instead of rehabilitation, it often leads to a cycle of reoffending. A more human and effective approach is to address to the root cause of the behavior through social service and skill training. I have three arguments for this motion. One, rehabilitation over punishment. The fundamental principle behind this motion is rehabilitation. Imprisonment rarely solves the underlying issues that led to gambling-related offense. Most gambling offenders are not hardened criminals. They are individuals struggling with a behavior addictive, providing them with a social service such as therapy, counseling, and addict support groups directly address to the core problem. This approach treats gambling as a public health issue rather than a criminal one. The second, interesting the root cause, gambling addiction, often stems from underlying physiology issues like depression, anxiety, and financial distress. A present sentence does nothing to address these factors. Skill training, such as vocational course and financially literary programs, empowers offenders with the tools they need to reintegrate into social as productive citizens. And the third, reducing recidivism. The current system has a high recidivism rate for gambling offenders, many who are imprisoned for gambling-related crimes struggle to find employment upon release and often return to their old habits, leading uh, to a cycle of crime and incarceration. By contrast, a program focused on skill development and focus support networks give them a real chance to break free from this cycle. So, the conclusion from my arguments, while a punishment-based approach might seem like a intuitive response, it fails to achieve its intended goals. The most effective way to addressing gambling-related offenses to focus on rehabilitation, skill building, and address the root source. So, thanks for listening my motion for this. Thank you so much. Yeah.